Now to our other big story tonight. The suspect in the Boulder King Soopers shooting appeared in court today, where a judge will decide whether he will be restored to competency. Denver 7's Colette Bordelon has been in court all day. She joins us live now from Boulder with the very latest on this case. Colette?
Guys, both sides just rested their case around 30 minutes ago. Prosecutors say the court really just needs to consider that last evaluation where the suspect was found competent. But defense attorneys say the previous 8 where he was found incompetent show he is not ready to proceed. 4 different doctors testified today about the suspect in the mass shooting that killed 10 people in March of 2021. One of those witnesses who testified was a doctor from the state hospital who's helped perform those evaluations. She was there in August, where the suspect apparently told her he bought the guns to commit a mass shooting, indicated he had intended to die that day when police arrived, and noted that a not guilty by reason of insanity plea was his preferred option in the courtroom. He's been at the state mental health hospital since December of 2021. What changed in March of this year? The suspect began forcibly receiving his medications, which led to improvements in his diagnosed schizophrenia. However, his defense says his symptoms have not improved all that much. There was an unprovoked assault in early September where the suspect apparently punched someone several times in the face. But the people in the courtroom, the family members and loved ones of the victims, have been waiting to see this case move forward for years. Now they have to wait one more weekend for an answer when it comes to competency.
Stuck and trapped, and I shouldn't feel that way, and I can't live that way forever. And I don't know, today's the first day that I've actually been able to get this far, and I think that might help.
The judge says she should have a decision early next week on this competency issue. That will determine if we move forward. There is a preliminary hearing scheduled for mid-November. And guys, the suspect is headed back to the state mental health hospital tonight. Live in Boulder, Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
All right, Colette, thank you.